How to speak English like a native. Adverbs. What is an adverb? Adverbs are used to describe how, example, gently, where, here, when, now, how much, very. What do they modify? They modify a verb, an adjective, or an adverb. The man kindly helped me. I almost never eat at a restaurant. It is very loud music. Adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner tell us how something happens. Examples: badly, well, carefully. They go before the verb or at the end of a sentence. She calmly explained the lesson. She explained the lesson calmly. Adverbs of time. Adverbs of time tell us when something happens. Examples: always, never, sometimes, usually, today, tomorrow, yesterday. If they are definite, they go at the end of a sentence. Robert visited me yesterday. If they are indefinite, they go before the verb. We often go to Paris. Adverbs of place. Adverbs of place tell us where something happens. Examples: here, there, near, anywhere. They go at the end of a sentence. They met us there. Our friends are here. Adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree tell us how much something happens. Examples: very, to, really, almost. They go before a verb, adjective, or adverb. I almost died. It was very funny. John drives really fast. Note: very never goes before a verb. Final notes: sometimes there are exceptions, but if you follow the rules in this video, you'll be okay. Watch all of our videos at www.TomsEnglish.org.